Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix your music feature not working on your Instagram stories. So how do you exactly fix that? Now I have a couple of methods in this video ahead, so don't skip ahead. Watch this video till the end, and some of them might appear absurd to you, but trust me, they work for some people and they might as well work for you as well. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that your app is up to date. I'm going to open my app store real quick. I'm going to search for Instagram, and now you see it says open right next to my Instagram, but for some people it's gonna say update, and then you can just update your Instagram from there, and you're gonna open your Instagram, and then you're gonna try if it's working for you. But my for me it already works, so it's no use for me to show you if it's not working because I know it's already working. So what's the next thing you'd want to do? The next thing you'd want to do is you're going to go to your settings, you're going to go to general, you're going to go to iPhone storage, and let's just give it a minute to load, and you're going to go ahead and find Instagram. Sorry, that's LinkedIn. And on Instagram you're gonna press offload app. Now what does offload app do is basically it just clears the cache on your app, and it basically resets the application and you can relog in, and it's just gonna feel like a fresh install. So for some people this method has also worked, and they were able to use their music feature after this workaround. But if this one also does not work for you, don't worry, I have one more solution, and that is just basically going to your profile, pressing on those three lines on the top right. You're gonna go to your settings, you're gonna press account, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, and now you see switch to professional account. Now since I have a personal account, it is telling me to switch to professional account, and if I had a professional account it would have said I could switch to a personal account. Now what and now you can just do either way. Whatever option you see here, you're gonna press on that in case your music is not working, and I'm pretty sure this method might work for you guys because I have seen many people who have just switched their account type and they were able to use their music feature on Instagram. Now one more reason that your music feature might not be working is because your country has some kind of restrictions, and for that you could either just use a VPN basically, or you could just accept your fate and not use music. So that is pretty much it about this video. I hope I was helpful. If you have any queries you can leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.